Welcome back to another video. CleanKIX T just came back from Denver SneakerCon, so we're gonna open up some of the stuff he got. We're gonna guess how much he got it for, and just take a look at some of the stuff he got.
All right, let's get into it.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, okay, Jordan 1 box, looking good.
All right, you got this one.
So we got our first pair. I think it might be Gore-Tex.
I think that it's probably a Jordan 1 low.
It feels a little, I don't know if it's heavy. I don't know. It feels a little heavy, and I feel like the Gore-Tex are a little heavier.
I don't think that's something Tyler would buy at SneakerCon.
Really? Should we see?
Go for it.
Bro, you were right. You told us you were gonna get some of these.
These are nice. I love these.
I'd rather have the neutral gray Jordan 1 lows.
Okay, yeah.
You know what's up.
Yes, I realize that, but these just pop, and I think
I don't feel like I'd wear them ever.
I would. You get some nice, you just either go with a plain outfit or you get that nice matching orange.
I feel like orange is hard to match sometimes. There's so many different shades.
Yeah, but if you get that right, then it's...
What are you laughing at?
Then it's good.
Bro, what is happening right now?
Instagram Live wants Tyler.
Oh.
They all want Tyler. Tyler's retired. He didn't want to be on this. It's his fault.
He says he's out. He says nah.
He says, yeah, no more. Oh, and they got a sticker in here too?
Ooh. Bless up to the people from...
Limited Beast.
Bless up for that. Okay, guess the price. So I'm gonna say, those are going for like...
$3?
Almost, like $270 on the high. I'd say you got them for $250.
I'm gonna say 200.
In between those two numbers.
Okay,
215?
220.
230.
Higher? Yeah. I was gonna say 230.
240. Okay,
all right.
Pretty solid. Should I just throw it down here?
Yeah, so.
Next up.
Size 11 and a half woman, if that's your size.
Pull it.
Yeah, that's what it said on the tag.
Or it's 11.
There's an 11 and a half men.
It's just,
Okay,
men's, yeah.
Men's 11. Hey, the tag on the shoe said 11 and a half. So the people at Limited Beast, bro, you messed up. Okay, so
you've got one
11.
You trying to cop?
My size. All right.
What you got?
Oh, okay.
I know what this is. It's probably a dunk.
Well,
it's a dunk. The black ones. Let's go. All right.
Okay.
Pop it open. Pop it open.
Oh. Ooh, I really like these.
I don't usually like black shoes,
but these are an exception.
Don't come at me. But these are.
I just don't.
There's so many different textures.
The only thing I don't like is the swoosh.
That's fair.
I don't think it goes with the. Yeah, I don't think it goes with the overall shoe. Like, I really like the outsole, but overall, I think it's pretty solid. Good pickup.
I feel like undefeated.
What are the different laces?
I don't got any laces, just black. Just
I guess they're just like
they're flat.
Yeah, they're the flat laces.
Actually, the flat laces are probably kind of nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty solid. Size probably another 11. Yep, another size 11. Pretty fresh.
Guess how much?
I don't know what these go for.
I'm gonna say
for like $315.
I'm gonna go with another. I'm gonna go with 260.
270.
Ooh, 250.
Lower.
200.
215.
Oh, hey.
230.
Hey, let's go.
Dang. Okay, Tyler. Yikes, that's crazy. Okay, next pair. Let's get into this. Okay, we got another Jordan 1.
Holy, that's a giant size, bro.
Don't look at the tag.
I didn't look at the tag. I just saw a big, fat, giant 13.
Oh, hey, size 13.
You need 13.
Right here. Okay.
You better gotten a steal on these.
Neutral gray. That's my guess. Gray.
I'd say heavier than the first one. Maybe it's the same. Maybe I'm just completely thrown off.
That is the same or lighter.
Okay.
I think. Okay, go for it.
I'm gonna say another. You wouldn't have gotten 2 pairs of Starfish. You would have.
That's true. It could be another Starfish.
I'm just gonna go out on a limb.
He did say there were 2 pairs. So
I just had Seafoams pop into my brain. No, they had a different box. Seafoams had a different box. That's not.
Yeah, don't they?
They have a red box.
Yeah.
You wouldn't. Who's that?
Bubba Steven.
Bubba. Hi, Bubba.
Oh, I love Bubba.
Bubba's the coolest.
Yeah, Bubba's a real one.
Bro, I think I'm gonna have to agree with you.
Okay.
Neutrals.
All right, go for it.
No, it's another pair of Starfish. A giant Starfish, bro.
All right.
Did you get these authenticated there? That's pretty cool. I want to do that.
13.
Is it free?
I love these.
Massive. Holy.
I really do like these.
Bro, that's like it's bigger than my head.
It is bigger than your head. That's saying a lot. Just kidding, Evan. I love you.
Aw.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, Evan. Size 13. So
giant,
you big feet.
That's you.
Come in.
Hey, that was nice.
Yeah.
You know what? We're just gonna do this.
Yeah, you know that works. You definitely put that in backwards. Let me help you. All right. Next pair. Here, let's get this bubble wrap out of here.
Oh, give me.
No, I
No,
know.
I just wanted to pop it. You know what I'm saying?
Not
It's
yet.
Bubble wrap.
After.
You're like
Okay,
legally obligated.
We got 4 more boxes. Tyler, you lied. You said we had 8. Okay.
Is that light?
That feels a little bit heavier, but it's
Bro, this feels
probably-
lighter to me. What the heck?
okay. I think it's the neutral grays.
I'm gonna say another pair of starfish. I'm just.
All right.
Okay, go
This
for
one's
it.
mine. Oh.
Oh gosh! Wait, what
told you it
size?
felt
What size
heavier.
is this?
11. Oh, we didn't guess on that last pair.
Price?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say about the same as the other one.
Yeah. Okay. Here you go, Evan.
I want these. Oh, they're used,
Lightly. Very lightly.
but still used.
But still. What are these at? Like 4?
I was thinking 5.
5? Wow.
Gosh.
That's crazy.
I really like these. I feel like this was one of the last Jordans recently before they all tanked.
Yeah.
Because the pollen's kind of tanked.
Everything did.
I mean, the shadows didn't really tank too bad. 2.0s.
They should be more than they are, my personal opinion.
That's fair. Yeah. I do like these.
Yeah.
Solid material.
Yes, I was gonna say that. They're nice.
Looking for context clues. Nothing. Literally nothing. Is there a
I just
sticker in the
think-
box? No, we got some blue laces.
Blue laces though.
Anything in the chat?
Price wise, I'm gonna say got these at like
They're
4.
$4.50.
Okay, then I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say. I'm gonna say $3.15.
Ooh, that's good.
I'm gonna say a steal.
I'm gonna go 370.
Oh,
Down below 315? 280.
$2.75.
$2.90.
Wow.
Bro, they're real.
Wow. That's all I gotta say.
I got them authenticated, but they didn't give tags.
Bro,
That's crazy.
that's nuts. Did you get all of them authenticated?
So that's wild. Bless up for that pair. That's
Do you know who got these from?
Can't remember. Last.
bless up to the people who sold
How many people are in the chat?
Tyler that.
2? Lindsay. Lindsay. Oh, great.
All right, it's chill.
Hi, Lindsay. Come
I
back.
can focus on the YouTube video.
Hi, YouTube. We didn't forget about you. Ready?
What's in the box?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, we've got to
Stop,
forget.
yeah.
11. Or is that a 10?
Don't look at the tag.
I just saw pro to something.
Okay, I'm gonna say. Ooh, hold on. Let me feel how heavy it is.
Oh, that's true.
It's a dunk low.
That rattles a little bit.
Okay, so what would Tyler buy? I feel like something. Oh, I bet it's a pair of two-tones. That's my guess.
I have no idea.
I have no idea either, but that's my guess.
Is it a recent release? Is it a recent release?
Are
you
you
mad?
gonna be mad if?
Oh,
or Evan-
oh, they're pandas. Bro, they're pandas for
Oh.
sure. Get out, get out. No.
Yes, they're a recent re-release.
Bro,
Hey, yeah,
It's not what I want.
yeah, we love these. Come buy them.
yeah. These will never stop selling. That's the thing.
They're like
It's-
new Air Force Ones.
Yeah.
All white. Everybody has
I don't
those.
think they're gonna tank. Like, I don't think they're ever gonna be like $110, but they'll sit around 200, 250 for the rest of their career.
the rest of the career.
They're like,
Really? Huh? Gone up a little bit.
They're so basic and boring and
They're clean though. What? How do you go wrong?
what
with
about this doesn't say cardboard? Hello?
Okay, but like, what doesn't match with it?
Probably like nothing.
Exactly. So that's
You
the
could be
thing.
nude
If
and
you
have these on and be look kind of goofy.
that's true. But the thing is, like, if you have, it's one
go
of
with
those
this.
shoes that if you don't like, if you're not buying to like collect and have a collection, then this
Yeah.
is a pair you can wear just like every day.
you could just-
and then
yeah.
you come in, get it cleaned,
Subtle plug.
and then you got a pair to wear. I'm gonna say you got those for about 190.
I was gonna say 250.
Up.
lower than that.
Okay, yeah. 225.
230.
240.
250?
240, okay. Yeah, I just was, I don't know. Tyler's a man of many steals, so you never know. Oh, I don't know what this is, to be honest, but
Ah, cool gray 11s.
wow. Yeah, I should have known. I was a little slow on that.
I like these. What
I
size
do
are these?
too.
I can't do the 11s. I can't.
I really like them, but hold on. There's a price on the bottom, Evan. Oh, okay.
Price is right.
350.
11.
Okay.
I really like these. Again,
I do too.
Wear
I just
them
don't
with
think
a lot of stuff.
Yes, I just don't think I could ever rock them. Is the problem? Actually, I feel like
I think you
cool
could.
gray is the only colorway of 11s. Are these used? Yeah, you can tell. A little bit of it's fine.
Super clean. I really like these.
Yeah.
Quality's not as good as the older releases, I feel like, but
But otherwise, it's
still solid.
Yeah.
Still pretty affordable, Jordan.
Yeah.
11 at least. I mean,
For
it's
11s,
they're
kind
not
of.
crazy.
yeah.
They're going up.
So
Get 'em while you can.
Buy them quick. Yeah.
Yeah, I like these. I hit on these when they released, but they also released like a million of them.
Yeah, so.
Cool, but I don't know if I can rock 11s.
Yeah, but.
I'll ball in them though. Okay, buy live. Gosh, people pull up.
You know, hey, if they don't want to support on the live, it's okay. People can support if they want. It's fine. We live. Size 11?
Yeah.
Box low-key beat.
I'm gonna say you got them. What are they going for new? 350. Good, you didn't get them for 350.
Oh, I might have to be. You probably got a steal on these.
Yeah.
I'm thinking if they. Cause
if they're used, that's probably like around 3.
But I don't see you picking up cool grays.
Unless it's a steal.
Unless it was a steal.
I agree, because, or maybe not. Maybe I'm
190.
wrong. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna say 275.
275, bro.
Boom.
Gosh.
Big guess. That's solid. I like that pickup. All right, last box. Last but not least. Hopefully not least. Didn't see the tag. What's the size? Anyone?
10, 11,
You want us to tell you?
No, I want to know the size.
11.
Okay.
I think maybe that's a 12.
Yeah.
14, 13.
Dang, another big-footed. Okay.
Bigfoot.
I kind of want to go with the pandas again.
You probably did get pandas, but I want to go out on something else. Dunk high or dunk low? Oh, they're sliding around. I think that might be a dunk high.
I don't think I would buy a dunk high.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure?
They're bigger shoes.
Oh, you're right.
What
do we have?
I don't know. I'm going to go with the panda. What are you going to go with?
I want to say panda. This also looks like it's a newer box because it's not beat.
Just say something.
Supreme dunk. I don't even care.
Wow. Supreme dunk.
Dunk highs, the new ones.
Pandas.
Panda. Yeah.
Yep. All right. Size 13.
Bigfoot times 2.
Bigfoots.
If you want to have cardboard on your feet.
Hey, no. Clean. Don't
They'd match
say
your
that.
shirt.
That's true. They would match CleanKIX shirt. That actually would go nice. Gray shorts. Go hard. Yeah, these aren't like, of course they're not like my favorite dunk I've ever seen, but they go with everything.
I think they'd be better if they were better quality, because look at this.
Agreed, yeah.
Look, that is so thin right there.
Yeah. I think what would be nice if they had like SBs.
That'd be
Panda
pretty cool,
SBs.
yeah.
I think that'd
So
be really
I
cool.
feel like the thicker tongue is just way more comfortable.
I agree.
There's such sharp edges on the inside, and the quality's complete garbage. The way these crease is so bad too, because they're the deep, like sharp creases.
Yeah, but other than that, other than the quality, I really like these. And if they stop re-releasing them,
Yeah.
I think they gotta.
Dude,
calm
they're
down.
not gonna. They keep getting so much
It's
money
gonna turn
off of
into
them.
like, they're not gonna turn into Air Forces, but that's about what it's become to.
I'm surprised I haven't hit on a pair of these yet.
Yeah, it's
But-
actually shocking. I just think that there's so much demand for them because every girl I see at school has a pair of these. So the demand for these are gonna stay the same because once someone beats a pair, they want another. But you don't need that if you get them cleaned. So.
And they're like low-key hype. Like people see them and they're like,
Yeah.
okay, cool. So
Yeah.
if you see people,
I definitely thought that before when I saw someone wearing Panda Dunks, I was like, dang, that's sick. Like,
You done with the pandas? All right, well, outro.
no, you got it.
You want me to?
Who did the intro?
I'm down
It's
for
chill.
whatever.
I'll get it. I'll get it. All right, so that's it for SneakerCon in Denver. Thanks to CleanKIX T for getting all these pairs, and we'll be at SneakerCon LA. If we're gonna be selling probably most of these pairs, unless they sell before that. So see you guys later.
Bye. Now you have to stand up and walk away.
Oh.